Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Insert the extension tube into the base, then insert the footrest, followed by the gas lift with cover. Next, locate your seat cushion. Make sure the seat cushion is in the right position by looking at the arrow on the bottom label. Using the included M822 mechanism screws, hand thread the screws to connect your mechanism to the bottom of your seat cushion. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. Locate the back support and mechanism. Connect the mechanism to your back support with the included knob. Then, connect the backrest to the back bar with the included knob. Firmly place the bottom of the base onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.